All right, it's 2020, the year for you to expand your horizons.
Perhaps a new cocktail is the perfect place to start. Demetrios Zaharidis, also known as the Cocktail Chemist, is here showing us a few simple drinks that you think will be trending in Connecticut because we have a little bit of a different taste here sometimes.
Yeah, well, one thing that trends in LA might not translate here to us. So,
Exactly.
So I just like to do things that, I think will work here locally with the local palates and go from there.
All right, so
I think it's going to be a year of more Amaros, more bitter liqueurs. We've been sneaking them in there in the past, but we're going to be...
What does that mean, bitter liqueurs?
So Amaro is a bitter liqueur. It's a bittersweet liqueur.
Okay, I don't think I've ever heard of that.
Like just using bitters? Okay. Well, anyway,
So
Aperol
I'll show you
Spritz
exactly.
was a big drink in the summer.
Aperol Spritz was big. That's how we snuck it in. The Aperol technically is an Amaro as well. So we're going to make a paper plane. This is a modern classic. So it's bourbon. We're doing just an ounce of bourbon.
It's called a paper plane?
Paper plane, yeah. Ounce of bourbon. So do it all equal parts. Ounce of Aperol, which is a bittersweet liqueur from Italy. We're doing a little Amaro Nonino. So this is another Amaro that we're doing. So
what is it, a bourbon? Is it a...
No, it's a liqueur.
It's a liqueur. All right. What does it taste like?
Amazing.
And you're going to find out.
Bitter, sweet, all those things are herbally. And then we're doing fresh lemon. And it's all, like I said, all equal parts. Quick shake. And this is very approachable cocktail.
Our dietitian...
Balanced.
Our dietitian is across the studio.
She's just smiling over there. She's going to talk about dry January coming up.
What is that?
It's when you don't take a shower for the whole month.
Do a little pop of lemon, and that's it. It's refreshing. It's sweet. It's bitter. It's boozy. It's all of the above.
Okay, it's bourbon. It's a bourbon. Yeah, it's definitely bourbon based.
We know you love bourbon.
Exactly.
So now we're going tequila. So we're doing...
He's trying to get us to break out of the shell. He's just to try a new cocktail.
So now we're doing tequila. So we're going to do a little riff on a Paloma. Paloma is basically tequila and grapefruit soda. But we're going to do a little extra to it. We're going to do Campari to give that bitter element. So this is about a half an ounce of Campari. We did an ounce and a half of Patron tequila.
Okay.
We're doing a little quarter ounce of a pink peppercorn syrup.
Pink peppercorn syrup.
It's actually not peppery at all.
Oh.
Yeah, it's sweet, it's floral.
Where would you get something like that? You have to make it yourself?
No, I mean I make it myself. Yeah, I just put some peppercorns in with some water, let it steep like you would a tea, and then
Pink peppercorns?
yeah,
Okay.
they're delicious.
Don't use the black ones. Use
No,
the
no,
pink ones.
use the pink ones. Black ones are gonna make it real spicy. Then we use about an ounce of grapefruit juice.
Oh, that's grapefruit juice. That's what I was wondering.
Just a quick
like the
shake. You don't want to
I
shake
do
it
like
too
the grapefruit
much.
juice. I like it in the beginning. As the drink wears on, I like it less. Isn't that funny?
Well, maybe
Really?
because you have to shake it again or something.
Yeah, something.
It's a pretty color.
It's beautiful.
This is nice, refreshing as well, and you get that little pop of the Campari bitterness. Who wants to try that one? I'll give it to you.
Is it light?
It is light. It is light.
Yeah. I mean, there's still tequila in there, but I taste the orange.
So lastly,
Dun, 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 dun.
another thing we're going to focus on this year is just reinventing some classics. Keep them simple, delicious, tasty. So I know you like Cosmos, so we're going to do the Vibrant Rondo Naked Cosmo.
Vibrant Rondo.
Yeah, we serve this at
Great
the Osteria.
restaurant out there in Cheshire, and that's where we can find you too,
Yes,
right?
yes, I'm there 4 nights a week.
4 nights a week
Can't
now?
get rid of me, yeah.
Oh, well, God bless.
Out of retirement.
Out of retirement, back behind the bar.
So we did 2 ounces of plum vodka. We did 3/4
I've
of
never
an
even
ounce.
heard of plum vodka.
delicious, so
Have
good.
you? No.
3/4 of an ounce of triple sec, which is an orange liqueur. We're doing about a half an ounce of fresh squeezed lime juice, and then we're using white cranberry juice.
White cranberry
So we're going to do
juice.
about an ounce of white cranberry juice. And
What's the most popular drink that people ask you for?
we get a lot. I mean, like I said, people are gravitating to the classics these days. So we sell a lot of these, the Cosmos. Last segment, I did that spiced Cosmo, the one that Scott missed.
Yeah, I don't remember spiced Cosmo.
I think he made it for you.
Old-fashioned, bottle old-fashioned.
Okay.
A lot of the paper planes, definitely.
Paper flames, all right. A lot of bourbon drinkers. I'm not a big bourbon guy.
It's wintertime, so people gravitate more to the dark, to the dark side, to the darker spirits.
And are these the cherries that you wanted
Yeah,
to?
those are the little
they look
Luxardo
like
cherries.
olives. They're so dark. But
People mistake them for olives.
all right, just put them in there, all of them.
Good.
Okay.
Why not?
Oh, they want to come out. Hang on.
Come on, Kara.
They're sticky.
Oh, now you dropped.
Well, they're very sweet, so they're sticky to the cherry juice. Okay, never.
So we'll let
This
you
is why
taste
he's
this
the
one.
cocktail chemist.
You'll like this. So like I said, we're just gravitating towards some bitter spirits this year.
Yeah, what's not to like?
Classics, reinventing the classics.
Yeah, that's beautiful. That's beautiful.
All right. Well, you can keep up with Demetrius on his Facebook page. Just search the Cocktail Chemist.